we divide 810 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 1 and it is 21. 6 times 3 is 18. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 0 and it is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 810 divided by 6 is 135. So this much for today and thanks for watching.